Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jazz.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
I know that it's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been out of everything social for the last 2 months and a half, mainly because my two grandmothers, unfortunately, they passed away within the past 2 months, and it's been really heavy on me. So I just decided to take a break from everything, from social media, from YouTube, from like yeah, everything social basically, and I just wanted to like focus a little bit on myself because I felt like I was very depressed, I guess. Plus I lost my job in December, so like it was really crazy, but don't worry guys, I found a new job like not even 5 days later, so yeah, praise God for that. So yeah, it's been really rough losing my grandmother, losing my job, and then losing my other grandmother. I just decided to take some time for myself, and I think that sometimes it's good to like just take a step back from everything just so that you can reevaluate, you know, like your life, your plans for the future and everything. So yeah, so I can say that this experience really made me realize how much life is precious and how much it's really important for you guys and for myself also to like cherish the present moment, and to also cherish the people that are in your life, because sometimes you take things and you take people for granted, and that's not the best way to go about life. So I'm officially back. I will start posting videos regularly also in the future, so I hope that you guys are not really mad at me because of my absence. And I just want to say thank you also to everyone who reached out to me. Like, I know that I wasn't really vocal about my losses, but I would like to say to everybody who reached out to me and who asked like, what's up Jazz, I really appreciate you guys, and I thank you for your support and for checking up on me. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, like I'm so hot. I've been running all around the house trying to like cook and clean a little bit. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what has been going on in my life. So I'll be back. I have like a few videos that I have in mind for the future, for the next few weeks I mean. So hopefully you guys tune back in. That's it, I guess. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.